Hey you guys, so I wanted to come and connect with you about something that some friends of mine and I are putting together for the new year. I know that so many of us are ready to be done with 2020 and at the same time there's like a ton of uncertainty about what's waiting for us in 2021 with everything going on politically and health-wise with COVID. There's just a lot of uncertainty, and I know that so many of you are thinking about finances. What can I do to be more secure? What can I do to maybe have multiple streams of income so that my family and I are set in a time that really has a lot of unknown ahead of us? And so I've got some friends and we want to offer something really fun for you. I've spent 7.5 years building an incredible business from home, and within a few years of doing it, had a business that does over $1 million in sales every year. This year, we're probably going to hit over 1.5 million in sales. And it's really surreal because I'm a mom and a wife and I homeschool my kids, and I have good days and I have hard days and days where I work more than other days where I don't get as much office time in. And I've been able to build this business that provides so phenomenally for my family. And it's not a get rich quick, but it's been really awesome. And so I've got some amazing friends. We don't work together in business, but we all are entrepreneurs, and we get together once in a while to just brainstorm business and help each other do better. And it's really an empowering experience to have people that you don't work directly with, but that can be a support to you. And that's what we want to do for you guys. We know that you may be starting up your own brick and mortar business or your own online business. There's so many different things that are coming about right now. And so wherever you're at, whatever your interest is, maybe you're already in business, maybe you're just brainstorming about a business and you're not even sure what direction to take it yet. These friends of mine and I are putting together a little event for you. We're going to do it right on Facebook, so it's going to be easy to be a part of. And we're calling it the 7-Day Business Breakthrough. Whether you're years into your business and you just need a breakthrough, or you're just starting to brainstorm your brainchild of a business, this is going to be the perfect little event for you. And it's going to be so easy, you guys. 1 video a day to watch for 7 days. And each day you're going to hear from a different phenomenal entrepreneur who is going to bring some really key and foundational truths to you that you need to be successful in business, whether you're relaunching or you're launching for the first time. Y'all are gonna get to come here from multiple 6-figure income earners, and we are all just women, moms, wives, doing life like you guys are doing, but we've managed to have breakthroughs and be successful. And we want to see you guys have those same breakthroughs as well, so that we can leave a better world for our kids. So 7 days, January 18th through the 26th, we're super pumped to bring you this. And y'all, it's totally free. You don't have to pay. We literally just want to offer you love and support and encouragement. What's even more fun is we've pulled a little bit of money together just to spice it up a little bit. And we're going to be offering a big $1,000 cash grand prize to one of you guys who comes, and all you have to do is participate. Watch the video each day and comment below it with whatever question we asked in the video, and you're going to be entered in automatically. There's no strings attached to that. So we're super excited, and we want to know, are you going to come hang with us for a week for our 7-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge? We would love to see you there. So let me know, or the friend that sent you this video, and we'll get you added into our group. All right, y'all, have an awesome new year.